Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 18, 2024. One star Sudoku. First row, we have 7, 1 and 3, 2. The four numbers can't come the three cells. It will come in one of the four cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, three numbers are remaining. 4, 8, 5. It will come in one of these cells. Column H, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then third grade, only one number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then first row, two numbers are remaining. 6 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, three numbers are remaining. 1, 4, 8. Second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining. 1 and 8. Column A, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Second grade, 4 numbers are remaining. 6, 9, 5, 7. Second row, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then only two numbers are remaining. 5 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then third grade, three numbers are remaining. 1, 3, 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, column B, we have pair numbers 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Ninth row, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Seventh row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 7th grade, three numbers are remaining. 1, 2, 4. It will come in one of these cells. Column A, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. The 9th row, two numbers are remaining. 9 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. Column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 9th grade, three numbers are remaining. 1, 6, 2. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining. 1 and 6. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, two numbers are remaining. 2 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 8th grade and 8th row, two numbers are remaining. 1 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then column A, two numbers are remaining. 5 and 9. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column D, three numbers are remaining. 5, 7, 9. 6th row, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Second grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then second grade, second row, only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column H, 5th row and 6th row, we have pair numbers 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then third grade and third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6th grade, column I, only 1 numbers remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 1. Column C, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 4th row, only 1 numbers remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 5th grade, column F, only 1 numbers remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. And 1 is here. 4th grade, column B and 5th row, only 1 numbers remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.